Ever wonder what it takes to deliver top-quality roofing, siding, and gutter services? Join us for a day with A1 Home Improvement as we showcase our team's expertise and dedication. Our day begins with a team meeting, where we review the projects ahead and ensure everyone is aligned on timelines, safety protocols, and customer expectations. Communication is key to delivering the seamless service A1 is known for. On-site, our crew gets to work with precision and care. For a roofing project, we start by thoroughly inspecting the structure and preparing the area. Whether it's replacing old shingles, installing new flashing, or ensuring proper ventilation, every detail matters. Safety is our top priority. We adhere to strict OSHA standards to protect our team and your property. From harnesses to equipment checks, our focus on safety ensures a worry-free experience for our customers. Throughout the day, we stay in touch with homeowners, providing updates and answering questions. We know this is your home, and we want you to feel confident and informed every step of the way. By the end of the day, our team has transformed another home, delivering exceptional results that stand the test of time. But our job doesn't end there. We follow up to ensure your satisfaction and provide ongoing support. At A1 Home Improvement, every day is an opportunity to deliver excellence. Contact us today to learn more about how we can transform your home.